Hello everyone. So the question given is a small roller of diameter 20 cm has an axle of diameter 10 cm. See the figure below on the left. Now it is on the horizontal floor and a meter scale is positioned horizontally on its axle with one edge of the scale on top of the axle. Thus the scale is pushed slowly on the axle so that it moves without slipping on the axle, and the roller starts rolling without slipping after the roller has moved 50 cm. Now options given are these. Now the solution is option B. In this case, the pure rolling without slipping is done. Let's radius of roller is capital R and radius of axle is small r. This will be the diagram. As we know that V equals to omega r. Now from the figure, V minus omega r equals to 0. Therefore V equals to omega r. V equals to 10 into omega, which implies that omega is equals to V by 10. Because radius equals to diameter divided by 2. And the velocity of point at A equals to V plus omega r. Now put the values of omega and r, which is equals to V plus V by 10 into 5, which is equals to 1.5 V. So the distance moved by the point of contact equals to 1.5 into 50 centimeters, which is equals to 75 centimeters.